Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the taskbar transparent on your Windows PC or laptop. Let's go. So first you need to open Microsoft Store. Do this from the Start menu, click on the Windows logo on the taskbar or hit the Windows button on the keyboard, then click on Microsoft Store. Now click on the search bar and search for these applications, TranslucentTB. This one. Click on the application, remember this icon. I tried to install it before, but something went wrong, so I restarted my PC. Now let's retry. Okay, it's installed. Now just open the application. And that's it. Your taskbar is transparent already, but we're not finished yet. Click on continue over here and wait for the TB icon to appear in your system tray. Now you can click on this icon and set up your transparent taskbar. You can enable or disable transparent taskbar in different situations. For example, when Start opened, I can disable transparent taskbar. Now let's open Start menu and it's opaque back again. So that's pretty it. So here you can set up your transparent taskbar as you wish, some advanced settings, explore it by yourself. Open at boot, so when Windows restarts, the application opens. But if your computer is not performance monster, think twice, do you really need this transparent taskbar? Because all these features like this slow down your computer running in background, running at start. So maybe you just need to right click on the taskbar, go to taskbar settings, click on taskbar behaviors, and automatically hide the taskbar when you don't use it. So just move the cursor to your taskbar and it appears and disappears. And that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.